And here is the main driveway going into the Balboa Park area. This right here is Nikigator, which is a 5,000-pound mosaic sculpture created by French-American sculptor Niki de Saint Phalle back in 2000. This is over 25 years old, and it has lived here ever since, except for a brief period in 2019 when it was temporarily moved to the Liberty Station while the museum that it sits in front of, the Mingei Museum, was being renovated. Lovely fountain here, dedicated to, I assume, the donors that have helped preserve this beautiful place.